Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a very Halloweeny look, half and half of a creeper from Minecraft and also a creeper inspired glam. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, it helps me so much, and I have new videos every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. But without any further ado, let me show you how I got this look. Okay, so for this look, I'm starting with the human part of my face, and I've done my brow, just this one, with the Kiko Precision Eyebrow Pencil. The one that I have is in the shape 01, that is a very cool toned, almost black color. And I've also primed this lid with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. So for my eyeshadow, I want to do something in greens. And for this look, I thought I would use the Changeable Fantasy eyeshadow palettes. And these two green colors will be very nice. I might also use the black. But to start, I think I'm going to take the light green on my transition area. And for today's video, I'm just going to lightly explain what I'm going to do, because otherwise this will be a very long video. Now on my crease, I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm dipping into the second green. I also don't want to make this look too complicated, because this might be a very nice last minute Halloween idea, even though this year Halloween parties really shouldn't happen. But you could maybe have something online and do this kind of look. So I decided to do this because I've actually been on vacation last week and this week, and I have played so much Minecraft. I'm definitely obsessed with it. So I'm doing this look. I'm probably not going to do it for Halloween, because on Halloween I will probably be playing Minecraft. So next week is back to work for me. So I'm going to try and get the most out of this one. And the creeper also has some black, so I'm going to pack it on the outer corner and also blend it a little bit on the crease to give the look a little bit more of a smoky effect. I'm just taking a bit more of the dark green on top, and also to drag it out. And to kind of blend it all together, I'm using the lighter green. This is just going a little bit back and forth with those three shades. And all over the lid, I'm taking this green shimmer. And I think I'm going to use a little bit of setting spray. And just on the inner part of my lid, I am taking a little bit of this one. Just a little bit to make this inner part lighter. Now, I also think I will be doing eyeliner with this look. I think it will go very well. So I'm taking the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline. I'm using the Kiko Lip Me Lots eyeliner to do the wing. And for mascara, I'm using the Marvel X Maybelline Colossal. All products are linked in the description box. Okay, so mascara and wing is done, and I've also cleaned up a little bit under my eyes. But I'm just going to do my base on this side of my face. and I'm going for a more matte base. Again, all products are linked in the description box. I'm just doing it off camera again so this video doesn't get too long. Okay, so I just did my foundation on this side and this is looking a little bit like the Power of Makeup thing, but I still need to do bronzer and blush and highlighter. The eye, I've finished it, but I basically did the same thing I did on top. I used the darker green very close to my lashes with a little bit of black on the outer corner and blended under it with the lighter green. And to highlight the inner corner and brow bone, I'm using the highlighter I'll use on my face. That is the Beauty Bay Flash Powder Highlighter. But on my face, I'm starting with bronzer and I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves. On the creeper side of my face, I've also used a little bit of the NYX Pore Filler Primer just to see if it'll give a more smooth texture, especially to minimize some of the pores. For blush, I thought something kind of orange would go nicely with this look, so I'm using the NYX Sweet Cheeks in the shade Citrine Rose, and this is the glowy version. And now for the highlighter. This one is very light, but I absolutely love it. Just a little bit on this side. And for my lips, I'm not very sure of what I wanted to use, but I think this color might go nicely with it. This is the Kiko Instant Color Matte in the shade 14. There is this kind of grayish green, but I only need to do half of my lips. Yeah, this one definitely goes nicely with this look. Okay, so that's not perfectly half, but I'm going to let it dry a little bit and I'll just clean it up. And set this part of my makeup, I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And now for this side, I do have a new face paint palette to try. I bought the You Can Be Athena face paint palette that has a lot of different shades. So this is the first time I'm using it, but I think I will be using this green, the black and the white will also be very useful, and maybe this light green, I'll see. And for this look, you could maybe block the eyebrow, but I want to make this kind of more noob friendly, because maybe you'll do this as a last minute Halloween thing. You probably won't have the time to block your eyebrow, and maybe you want to do this on your kid and basically just leave the eyebrow as it is, because it's going to get filled in with black. So basically the thing that stands out the most in the Minecraft creeper, aside from the explosion that nobody likes, is the black square eye with a black nose and a black inverted mouth. So I think I'll be doing that first, and then it's just a bunch of squares with different shades of green. So I'll definitely be doing the eye, the nose and the mouth first. So I'm going to lightly try and map it out. I'm using the I Heart Revolution multi-liner pen. Okay, and basically I'm just going to fill in this area with black, and once everything is filled in with black, I'm using the eyeshadow to set it. I'm also using closer to my eye and also on my waterline. Again, the Kiko Everlasting Cajal, just to get everything pitch black. Okay, so the biggest part is done, and actually it's pretty hard to keep the eyelid from creasing even setting it with eyeshadow. But basically I'm just going to try and fill in the rest of my face using green colors. So I will try and use this one and also this one, and I might mix this one with black and with white to try and create different shades and do squares. Okay, so I think that is all the squares done. Some of them don't line up very well on this upper part, but I think actually the effect is a lot better than I was expecting. In these edges, I just let it kind of fade away, and also on this part. Okay, so just for a reference, on this part I used this one. This darker one is this one mixed with the black. This kind of more neon green is this one, and I also ended up mixing these two for this and this and this. And then this kind of minty is this one mixed with the white. Okay, and then this is the finished look. The normal side of my makeup, or the kind of human part, and the creeper. I could have probably done the creeper on this side because I can usually close this eye a lot better than just this one, but even with the eyes closed you kind of get the picture. I honestly think it turned out very well, and I kind of surprised myself a little bit. But yeah, I hope you got some inspiration, and I hope you have the best fun on Halloween, but just don't forget to stay safe and protect yourself. But yeah, if you got some inspiration and if you liked this look, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and also let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you like the look, and also if you've played Minecraft, or if you'd like to try it. And if you think this look might be a little bit too much for Halloween, I will leave on the side my playlist with other Halloween looks. And again, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos like this one every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. And that is everything for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great Halloween.